10-point weather forecast with meteorologist Sonia Stevens.
Welcome back. Well, not quite as sunny as some people probably would have liked out at the beach earlier today, but hey, those clouds did us a favor. They kept it from getting too hot, and at least it wasn't a washout. And we're not looking at great rain chances as we head into the weekend. So overall, at least should be able to get some beach time in. So the clouds rolled in. We had some rain early, and that kept temperatures below average this afternoon. We only topped out at 88. Our average is 91. Started out this morning just a degree above average with the low of 74. No rain in the rain bucket, and we're now over 3 inches below where we should be. Could desperately use the rain. I know a lot of people's lawns could use the rain. Well, we're certainly going to see better rain chances as we head into next week. I'm going to talk about that coming up. But let's talk temperatures. Look at this, 80s across the board, lower to middle 80s, 82 right now in Charleston, more lower 80s in Georgetown, more middle 80s as you head a little bit further inland. So the clouds kept temperatures below average and actually kind of kept a lid on rain chances during the middle of the day. That earlier rain and cloud cover kind of stabilized everything. And then over the past couple of hours, we had started to see some showers and thunderstorms developing, mainly in Charleston and Colleton County. So as we zoom in for a closer look, we're seeing that heavy rain around North Charleston. It's continuing to drift slowly northward, heading into Hanahan. And then a thunderstorm over Johns Island right now. And again, that activity probably going to be pushing into southern sections of Dorchester County. And then some more moderate rain with a few lightning strikes out around Hollywood. And then as we head off toward the southwest into southern Colleton County, again, we're talking west of Watermala and Seabrook and north of Edisto. That's where we're seeing some thunderstorm activity. So that's going to be pushing northward over Highway 17 through Colleton County. The bottom line, these storms not moving very quickly, and that means they will have the potential to dump heavy rain. In fact, we do have a flood advisory in effect for central Charleston County that will go till 6:45 because some minor flooding is possible. So we're generally seeing this activity lifting slowly toward the north, and then this activity in Georgia, well, it's moving toward the south. So what we've got going on is that frontal boundary basically parked across the area, and that's what's helped to get things going this afternoon after we were kind of stable earlier today with the clouds and rain. And that has definitely kept temperatures comfortable for July, right? Look at that. Lots of 70s and 80s, only a few 90s across the southeast. We will certainly take it. Here's that frontal boundary. Scattered showers and storms will continue as we head through this evening. I think things will quiet down overnight, but that frontal boundary still parked across the area tomorrow, which means hit and miss showers and thunderstorms will be possible, especially in the afternoon with the heating of the day. And then notice what happens as we head into the second half of the weekend. That front washes out. It's going to be more of a typical July day, which means it's going to be hot, it's going to be humid, but our best chance for rain is going to be in the afternoon, and we're only looking at an isolated chance. When we have a pattern like that, Futurecast doesn't handle it very well. But then let's advance the map into Monday. A trough's approaching from the west. We're going to increase that rain chance a little bit, and our best rain chances are going to come during the middle of next week. And we're also going to see a little bit of a cool down. Not as much as they're going to see in the Great Lakes in the Midwest, but hey, in July, we'll take whatever break we can get from the heat, right? For tonight, warm and humid. Scattered showers and storms will continue, especially over the next couple of hours. Lower 70s inland, upper 70s at the beaches. And then tomorrow, hot and humid, lower 90s inland, upper 80s at the beaches. Scattered storms mainly possible in the afternoon, but we're looking at just a slight rain chance as we head through the second half of the weekend. Highs stay in the lower 90s. Lower 90s sticking around through the first part of the work week. Rain chances ramping up, especially Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And look at that, little bit of a cool down. Hey, we'll take it. Upper 80s Wednesday and Thursday. More news, sports, and weather after the break.